Internal PC communication failing because of the Translator Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. To begin our Translator Library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Translator Library, a generic naming convention used by several localized desktop translation tools and localized dictionary software to house their primary language parsing logic. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence usually indicates a broken installation of a specific third-party tool that requires a full reinstall. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Since Translator Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized translation orchestration architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Translator Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Translator Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Translator Library and system libraries. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Translator Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.